Struggling to get views on your YouTube automation channel? If you're posting videos but getting 0 views or no impressions, and YouTube isn't recommending your content, this video is made for you. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a powerful solution to jumpstart your channel. The trick? YouTube Shorts. I've shared in previous videos how creating YouTube automation videos can make your channel go viral. And if you're still facing low engagement, now is the perfect time to dive into this. Here's what you can do. Take any long videos you've already uploaded and turn them into shorts using a simple AI tool, NexusClips. To prove this works, I created a channel focused on long videos but started adding shorts, and the growth was incredible. I do not even post regularly, maybe 1 to 2 times a week, but my most popular short has over 200,000 views. That's how much YouTube pushes shorts, which can bring you thousands of new subscribers in no time. Once you've got that audience, you can start uploading longer videos again and watch those numbers climb as well. If you've been following my videos on starting and growing a YouTube automation channel, you know many people have found success. But if your channel has not taken off yet, this is the way to make it happen. Converting your long videos into shorts can be the breakthrough your channel needs. For this, you can use NexusClips, an incredible AI tool that simplifies converting long videos into shorts. Just visit NexusClips.com, sign up, and log in. I'll leave a link in the description for easy access. Once you're signed in, you'll see a simple interface. The next step is to convert your long videos into shorts, so you can start gaining more views and subscribers and even earn money from them. First, connect your YouTube channel to this AI tool. Head to the Video to Clip section and click the link below. You'll see 2 options: Connect YouTube Channel and Connect Twitch. Choose Connect YouTube Channel. Then, accept the terms and conditions, hit Continue, and you'll see an interface to select your language. Choose your language, click Start, and you're all set. Once your channel is connected, you can return to the main interface and get ready to start creating shorts that engage and grow your audience. Next, click on Create Clip. As soon as you do, all the videos from your YouTube channel will appear on this platform, ready for you to turn into shorts. Choose the video you want to convert, click on it, and you'll see an editing interface. Here, you can fully customize your clip to make it perfect for shorts. On the right side, you'll notice a virality score. This tells you how likely your clip is to go viral on YouTube. Use this score to choose the best parts for your short and boost your chances of reaching a wider audience. If you're not satisfied with a clip, do not worry. You can generate a new one using AI. Just click on Generate New Moment, and you'll have options to customize it even further. You can type in the type of scene you're looking for, or choose from 3 available options to match your vision. Describe exactly what kind of scene you want, and let the AI handle the rest. Once you're ready, check the virality score to see how well your clip might perform. Then simply click Create and Create Clip, and in just 10 to 20 seconds, your clip will be ready to forth. As your clip is processing, you'll see options to edit and customize it. From here, you can select the frame, detect the number of people in the video, and get a preview of how your long video will look once it's turned into a short. Adjust the frame to fit your style, whether you want a full screen view or a customized frame. You can even hover over people in the video to set the perfect focus. Plus, you have templates to choose from for a polished final look. If your video includes multiple people, like 2 or 3, this tool can easily detect them, making it simpler to get the exact framing you need. Once you're satisfied, you can preview both the full video and the short version to see how it all comes together. Want to boost your video views? Start by adding a strong hook. Click on the hook button and create an eye-catching title that will instantly grab viewers' attention. This can keep your audience watching your YouTube shorts till the end and even lead them to your longer videos, bringing in thousands of views and additional revenue. Next, with your hook set, you can also add stickers or a watermark to brand your channel. If you don't want a watermark, feel free to skip it. Now, let's talk about subtitles. Subtitles can make your shorts go viral. Almost every viral YouTube short, Instagram reel, or TikTok video includes captions. Adding captions here is simple. You can generate auto captions and even choose from Glow and other templates for a more dynamic look. Once you've added subtitles, preview your video. It's more engaging and ready to capture attention. Now, preview your video to see the final result. You'll notice it's more engaging and ready for viewers. If you want, you can adjust the text font, subtitle font, and font color to make everything look exactly how you want. Long or short titles, small or large subtitles, set them up as needed. This AI tool really gives you everything you need to grow your channel through engaging shorts. If you'd like to add advanced styling, click on Advanced Style for more options to customize the look. Once your video is polished and ready, it's time to publish. Click on the Share button, select Upload to YouTube Shorts, and you'll see fields for the title, description, and category. Everything is already set up to make publishing quick and easy. You can also use this tool to connect directly to TikTok and upload your video there as well. It's a fantastic tool, and you can try it for free. There's even a premium plan available for only $5, which gives you access to even more features. The link to the tool is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing tips. See you in the next video.